The future of Formula One. Innovations and upcoming rule changes. Strategic rule tweaks and groundbreaking innovations will likely influence Formula One's future. The sport is changing to remain at the forefront of motorsport while tackling contemporary issues, from environmental objectives and cutting-edge technologies to enhanced safety and more possibilities for young drivers. Here are 7 key developments to watch in the coming years. Number 7. Lighter, smaller cars. The weight and physical dimensions of Formula One cars will alter significantly, beginning in 2026, one of the biggest shifts in the history of the sport. Compared to their existing equivalents, the vehicles will be 100 millimeters narrower, 200 millimeters shorter, and 30 kilograms lighter. The goal of this weight and size reduction is to produce more dynamic and nimble vehicles that can respond and negotiate tracks more accurately. While the lower dimensions will increase aerodynamic efficiency and enable tighter wheel-to-wheel racing and more frequent overtaking opportunities, the lighter chassis will boost acceleration and braking performance. Additionally, the lighter weight will put less stress on the suspension and tires, which could increase their longevity and reliability over longer racing distances. This change reflects the sport's commitment to improving the spectacle for fans, while also addressing technical challenges associated with the increasing size and weight of modern cars. Additionally, the car's smaller footprint will make them more suitable for tighter circuits, potentially expanding the range of venues that can host Formula One races. Number 6. Active aerodynamics. Active aerodynamics will be one of the most cutting-edge and technologically sophisticated elements of the 2026 vehicles. During races, drivers will be able to alternate between low drag and high downforce modes, maximizing their car's performance on various circuit segments. Low drag mode will increase straight line speed by decreasing aerodynamic resistance, while high downforce mode will improve grip and stability, in turns by increasing the car's aerodynamic load. Instead than concentrating only on overtaking, this approach aims to increase energy efficiency, enabling cars to maintain competitive speeds while consuming less fuel and battery power. Because drivers and teams must choose when and where to use each mode to maximize their advantage, active aerodynamics will introduce a new level of strategy to races. This development is a major step towards Formula One's objective of developing state-of-the-art technology and increasing the dynamic and unpredictable nature of races. Number 5. Sustainable fuels. The sport is taking a big step towards sustainability by requiring the use of 100% sustainable fuels by 2026, which is a significant milestone in the sport's environmental initiatives. The sustainable fuels will be derived from non-food sources or captured carbon, which will significantly reduce the sport's carbon footprint and align with global efforts to combat climate change. The sustainable fuels will be chemically similar to traditional petroleum-based fuels, meaning that they can be used in existing internal combustion engines without requiring significant modifications. This approach allows Formula One to maintain its high-performance standards, while also helping the automotive industry as a whole move towards greener technologies. The sport's dedication to innovation and its position as a pioneer in creating solutions that have applications outside of the racecourse are further highlighted by the usage of renewable fuels. By implementing this technology, Formula One hopes to set an example for other motorsport series and industries by proving that environmental stewardship and high performance can coexist. Number 4. Increased electric power. With the battery output tripling from 120 kilowatts to 350 kilowatts, the hybrid power units in 2026 will have a significant boost in electric power, marking a significant advancement in Formula One's hybrid technology. With this modification, internal combustion engine ICE and electric power will be split almost evenly, giving drivers better acceleration and braking energy recovery. Additionally, the automobile's increasing electric component will increase their efficiency and conform to global trends in the automotive industry towards electrification. Drivers will be able to strategically deploy more power due to the increased battery output, which might result in more thrilling on-track confrontations and give race tactics a new dimension. Formula One's dedication to innovation and its position as a pioneer in the development of automotive technology are reflected in this move towards further electrification. As automakers continue to look for methods to boost the effectiveness and performance of hybrid and electric vehicles, the improved hybrid systems will also offer insightful information about the direction of road car technology. Number 3. Manual overtaking model. In 2026, a new push-to-pass feature will take the place of the drag reduction system DRS, bringing a more dynamic and calculated approach to passing in Formula One. This technology makes it easier to pass competitors by enabling drivers who are within a second of them to temporarily increase their speed by using additional battery power. Drivers must choose when and where to deploy their limited energy reserves in this manual override option, which adds a strategic element to races in contrast to DRS, which is restricted to certain zones. The car's hybrid power unit will be combined with the push-to-pass technology, giving drivers access to extra electric power for quick acceleration spurts. It is anticipated that this innovation will improve the overall spectacle of Formula One races by making overtaking more thrilling and unexpected. The new approach intends to foster closer and more competitive racing by granting drivers greater control over their overtaking opportunities, which will keep spectators interested and amused throughout the race. Number 2. Simplified engines. The elimination of the MGU-H motor generator unit heat component from the 2026 power units will simplify them and represent a major change in Formula One's strategy for hybrid technology. This modification preserves the engine's hybrid efficiency while lowering their complexity and expense. In order to make the technology more accessible to new manufacturers, the MGU-H, which recovers energy from the vehicle's exhaust emissions, is being removed from the present hybrid power units. The goal of the simplified design is to guarantee a competitive and varied grid of teams while also luring new players to the sport, by decreasing the technological hurdles to participation. Formula One wants to stimulate innovation and competitiveness while keeping costs under control. The removal of the MGU-H also underscores the sport's commitment on making its technology more relevant to the automotive industry, as manufacturers increasingly prefer simpler and more cost-effective hybrid systems for road cars. This adjustment is designed to stimulate greater participation from manufacturers and maintain the long-term survival of the sport. Number 1. New tires. Pirelli is working closely with teams and the FIA to ensure that the new tires provide the necessary balance of performance, durability, and safety. Pirelli is developing narrower tires for the 2026 season, with the front tires reduced by 25 millimeters and the rear tires by 30 millimeters. These changes are intended to complement the lighter and smaller car designs while maintaining grip levels and performance. Additionally, the narrower tires will help reduce drag and improve energy efficiency, contributing to the sport's overall sustainability goals. The vehicle's handling qualities will also alter due to the tire's decreased width. Therefore, drivers will need to modify their driving techniques, and teams will need to modify their setups. This development is a component of a larger initiative to improve the racing spectacle and make Formula One more technologically sophisticated and sustainable. Since the new tires must satisfy the requirements of the faster, lighter, and more efficient vehicles while maintaining a steady performance throughout race lengths, they are anticipated to be essential to the success of the 2026 regulations. As Formula One continues to innovate and adapt, these changes promise to redefine the sport, making it more sustainable, competitive, and inclusive. The future of F1 is not just about speed, it's about progress, both on and off the track. Buckle up for an exciting new era in motorsport. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.